Looking to upgrade your car stereo without losing your AM/FM radio signal? Scoscha's antenna adapter connects your new aftermarket stereo directly to your factory vehicle antenna LED. No cutting wires, no hassle. This simple plug-and-play solution ensures you keep clear radio reception the moment you install your new system. What sets this adapter apart is its factory-quality wire and connectors, designed to match your vehicle's original standards. That means a reliable connection every time, without the frustration of poor signal or complicated installation. Plus, it retains your AM/FM functionality seamlessly, so your favorite stations stay right where you want them. I recently installed this adapter in my 2013 Scion FRS, and it worked flawlessly. The kit even includes the wire for the antenna amplifier that came with my car, making the setup straightforward and clean. No cutting, no guesswork, just a direct connection that keeps your radio sounding great. For over 40 years, Scoscha has been a trusted name in car audio installation accessories. Their commitment to quality and affordability shows in every product. When you buy from Scoscha, you're not just getting a part, you're getting peace of mind backed by a limited lifetime warranty. What really makes Scoscha stand out is their lifetime tech support. If you ever have questions about your installation or product, their knowledgeable team is ready to help for as long as you own the adapter. That kind of support means you're never left in the dark. If you want a clean, reliable way to connect your aftermarket stereo without sacrificing your AM/FM signal, this antenna adapter is worth a look. It's designed to fit right in with your vehicle's existing wiring, making installation quick and painless. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car audio setup. With Scoscha's proven quality and lifetime support, you get more than just a product. You get a trusted partner for your car's sound system. Keep your radio signal strong and your installation smooth with this essential accessory.